Back for another sunset bite. I'm feeling a little top water, maybe a little plop, maybe a little pop. Let's see if we can make it happen. Spider webs, spider webs. I don't like eating spider webs. Ooh, the log is slick today. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, please don't, please don't. No, no. Ah. Well. So much for keeping my jeans dry. Oh, there we go. It's either a crappie or a smallmouth. He's got some fight to him. Or a gigantic bluegill hooked in the back. Wow, big old bluegie. There we go. Hit it on the drop. All right, first bass bite of the night. Got us a little baby spotted. Little spotty yachty. You can tell where the dorsal fin is kind of more connected. Got a little tooth patch on his tongue. Also, you can tell the cheek scales are much smaller than his body scales. A couple of the ways you can identify a spotted versus a largie. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Ooh. Just let it sit there for a second. Sometimes with top water, that's what you want to do. Little baby bass, another one. Nice. That is a full-bred largie. Look at those larger cheek scales. More dissected dorsal fin. There we go. Little tiny topwater bite. Little green sunny. Little guy. There we go. Running right at me. Now he knows he's hooked. Wow, third cast on the nub. Hello. Right. There it is. All right. Probably the nicer bass of the day. On that nub. Notification says you got a fish. There we go. I felt something just tapping it. Little squeaky. Green sunny. Man, that nub gets everything to bite. There we go. On the pop, Daddy. Look at that. Taking in big baits. Well, after a successful mission on this creek, I headed over the next day to fish with my buddy Mike on the East Fork Little Miami to see if we can find some small jaws. So I found this little spot that's right off of a highway. It's a pretty good stretch of river. I haven't fished it very much. I'm gonna just pull off the side of the highway, jump under this bridge and start fishing. Got a buddy Mike who's coming to fish. He's gonna join me on this mission. We've fished this same river before. This is a spot we haven't fished together. I have fished with Jen a couple times. I have not really gone upstream, which is what I plan on doing this time since the water is fairly low. And yeah, that's the mission. Hopefully we can get on small jaw. It is, what, 7 p.m.? Got a couple hours of daylight to kick it into gear and see what happens. Let's go. Oh, look at you, you silent assassin. You got one. Whoa, there's a snake. Oh, a freaking mouse. There we go. No. Oh, nice. Oh, he is barely hooked. Barely hooked. Oh, no. That was a 2-pound largie. Oh, come on. Teasing me. we go. Oh! And a good one to boot. Oh, God. At the buzzer, dude. I did not think he was gonna come out of there.
Oh my! Is that what's hit your thing the first time?
No, no. What hit my thing the first time?
Fish right there.
Oh my gosh! All right, he's got
my board. It's in the car.
Ooh, I got a tape measure
15-inch fish. It's not longer. There you go, Matt.
Oh, all right, dude. Okay. Me and Mike are literally walking out. We were peacing out, and I just begged. I was like, listen, give me one at the buzzer. Come on, after losing that good one. We're gonna get a weight and probably measure him real quick. 15 3/4. Well, y'all, good night from the East Fork Little Miami. Appreciate you guys watching this very quick mission. Mike got on 3 fish. Saw some wild, wait, we got a spider, a mouse, and a snake. A missed largemouth and that good smallie right at the buzzer. We'll see you guys in the next fishing mission.